Today at Highridge AI Consulting, we are going to look at a invoice extractor agent that is built in make.com. So it's really useful to small businesses who don't have an enterprise type solution which can extract data points from invoices. The flow will be an email will come into Gmail, the agent will extract the data, put it into Sheets. You can then use the information in Sheets to send to your accountant, put it into your CRM, perform further analysis. So let's run the agent. So we're going to start off by sending some test invoices here in PDF format. So yeah, they're going to come in, they're going to hit Gmail, and yeah, that's the trigger point for the agent. The agent comes looking for this email in Gmail, so you're not doing anything, and then the agent goes off and performs its duty. So we can see the email has come in. Let's run this, and we can see the agent starting to work here. And we will keep an eye on Sheets to see what the extraction process looks like. So nothing just yet. So let's go back to the agent. We can see it is still thinking. Okay, might have something now. All right. So you can see it auto-populating now, which is the really cool feature of this automation. So it's real time. You can see the date, and it is extracting the price, the name, the message ID. So this is something now you could add in additional columns. That's what we'll look at next time around. But this is an automation that can help small businesses. If you have an idea or if you want to tag something onto this, let me know.